Hi guys, so here's a fun little project I wanted to share with you from last year. So I grabbed a bag of red beans from the grocery store and I pulled 2 beans out and I soaked them in a wet paper towel and stored them in a Ziploc bag. They sprouted very quickly. This was around the beginning of March, and after they grew healthy long roots, I potted them up. I did end up putting them in the same plastic grow pot, and at this point they took off and grew super fast. Once the danger of frost had passed, in last year's case this was May 1st, I brought them out to the garden. I had made a small tomato-like cage structure for them to climb on, and they had already begun producing their first flower buds. I did go ahead and move them over next to my fence so they could have more support, and they loved it. They climbed all over it, and I had bean pods popping up everywhere throughout the season. I waited to pick them once the pods had dried out completely, and then I just let them dry on the counter for about a week before I stored them in a glass jar for future use.